Hey guys, sorry, I needed a sip of coffee there. Hey, for some of you that are getting this, I can't remember you, I'm sure you are familiar with this, but I wanted to send a quick reminder, and I thought I'd use a video, go over about attendance verify. Remember, for lecture classes, or if it's anyone that meets in a lecture class, just their attending the class is enough for you to verify attendance. So if they say here in a class, they attend. For an online class, remember, if you have to have them attempt some activity. I put a little 5-question quiz that they just attempt. I don't even give them points. I guess you could, but I just don't. But anyway, so when you go to verify attendance, I recommend try to do it kind of as you go along. In fact, I'm going to grab find one of my rolls. I'll start working on one while I do that. So if you do it kind of as you go along, it doesn't pile up at the end. So of course you go to Faculty Services, Attendance Verify, select File, Submit, and you look for one of. So I'm gonna select this History 201, and it's real simple. You just put the date. So right here, what is today? 08/20/2015. Okay, and the easiest thing you could just probably copy and paste, because you're going to do a bunch of them and you go along, and if they've attended, like today this was an in-class class, so I just went through and said, okay, if they've attended and they're here, then you go in and complete this. Okay, so I'll go ahead and just submit it here now, so you don't watch me go through all the way through that. Now again, we'll go over later at the end of the term when you put your grades in. The only other time you have to change this date where it says last date attended is if someone makes an F, and you have to go in and put the last date that they participated, that they did something in the class, either attended a lecture class or attempted something in the class. Anyway, so just want to make sure you do that when you hit submit. You can do it. You can wait till the deadline if you wanted to, which is the day after drop an ad. So that would be, I have my calendar here, that would be on the 26th, which is the third purge. Again, I recommend just doing it kind of as you go along. And again, for the online class, as I said, if you give them something that they're required to do, then you can look on gradebook here. If you give them, I give them a little quiz or something, you just have to make sure they attempt it. And you can tell, I didn't give any points for it, I just give them credit. So if this shows up, okay, they've attempted that, or on your quiz you can say view all attempts, and it would show up there that they've attempted it. Okay, so anyway, just wanted to give you that. It seems like there was some other things I was going to cover with you, but just remember, if you have any questions, let me know. Oops, wrong one. Please feel free to contact me. I've had to add some seats here and there. I apologize if some of us have overloaded a little bit, but we got to try to take care of these students. So if you have any questions, let me know. I hope everything's going well, and talk to you soon.